So I have an '08 PT Cruiser here, and today we're going to be doing some troubleshooting on the shifter. This is a standard transmission PT Cruiser, and we'll just hop right into it. So here's the shifter. As you can see, it's a little bit looser. We already took the boot off, and I can't really see what the issue is from looking from here, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull this up and troubleshoot from there. So to get this console out, we need to get out the 4 bolts in there and then the 2 in there. So once you have those 6 bolts out, then you should be able to pull this out relatively easily. Just make sure that you unplug this before you pull it all the way out. Make sure that your boot is out of the way, so that way you don't have problems with that. Granted, some of these might just screw off, and so you can just slip the boot off completely. Also, you see these 2 switches back here? They're for the back windows, so you need to make sure that you disconnect that as well before you yank it out. It should be fairly simple just to pull this panel right out. First things first, before I even go to take anything off, we're going to go ahead and put some WD-40 on these hinges. I'm going to go ahead and start with the 2 in the cup holders. And now in the console storage. Alright, so you see that right there? That's our problem. And here's what we need to put in there to fix the shifter. We're gonna go ahead and get that started. There we go. Got it partially put in. Alright, and there you have it. We've got the bushing replaced. Fantastic. And so now you can see it's not loose. And there we go. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and like this video.